Okay, I got my motor mounts in the mail today from Hilltop Auto Parts. These comes with the rubber part, and there's two of them. I got all the hardware, so put these in storage for when I need them. But that's one more thing I can check off the list. The only thing I really need to find now is a drive shaft, and I think I have everything. Alright, well, it looks like I ran into a little problem here. These motor mounts look like they were almost going to fit, but the distance between these two holes is longer than the distance between these two holes, so it's about a ½ inch longer right here. So I'm going to have to figure that one out. Alright, I contacted John down at Hilltop Auto Parts, sent him a message about those motor mounts, and he actually has the correct size motor mounts. They're different size for a big block than they are for a small block, and he seems to have a lot of parts that are hard to find, so I was in luck there. So I'm just going to be sending those back tomorrow and get the right kit from him. I've been media blasting these springs with the sand, and I took a wire wheel around some of these edges and started to get some of the rust off there too. Ended up ruining a few of these cross springs, so I'm going to need to order about 4 springs off eBay. That's going to be like $8. And other than that, it's looking pretty clean. And I'm getting ready to start wire wheeling this one. It's still got a lot of rust on there. I'd like to try to media blast this a little bit more first. Okay, I got this other one pretty clean. It took a lot of work to get most of the rust off there. It's not 100% perfect, but I think it's good enough. So get ready to spray these with some rust preventive paint. Okay, I picked up a couple of rocker panels, right and left side. I got the extended ones. Picked up the front floor pans, right and left. I got the rear floor pans, right and left. I got the right and left middle floor pans. And then I bought a floor bracket that goes underneath. It's kind of like a cross member. I actually got 2 of those. So all in all, I spent $940, and I might actually need to spend a couple hundred more. I think I need a couple more. Okay, I've been looking for tires. The brakes are coming in tomorrow, so I got to get on these tires. I decided on these Coker 14-inch with the 3 1/4 inch wide white walls. Coker tires is out of stock, and so they have an option to back order those, and I didn't know how long that was going to take, so I went ahead and just paid a little bit more and got them from Lucas Tires since they were in stock from California. Paid about $85 extra to get them shipped right away, so be waiting on those and get this thing rolling. Alright, first thing, I'm going to get these valve stems out of there. Getting ready to dismount this old tire. I'm giving this new tool a try. See how this works. Okay, had a little problems on that first one. This time around, I want to make sure I popped that bead off on both sides, not just one side. this tire has a tube in it. So I'm going to have to figure out how to muscle this tube out of here. Okay, I finally flipped this tire over and sawzalled through the whole tire. There was just no way to get that bar under there with that tube in the middle. So should come off easy now. These must be really old tires. I had to end up sawzalling through the inner tube as well. It was stuck right to the tire. You can see it's pretty rusty, so I'm going to pick up some sand, get these things media blasted, painted, and ready for my new tires.